This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Halong Bay is probably Vietnam's most popular tourist destination, so of course we had to come here to see for ourselves the towering limestone islands, the emerald green water, and to fully experience all it has to offer, we are spending 24 hours on Halong Bay's Grandest cruise ship, because bigger is better, right?
From my winter hell, I've got candles and candy. I can be your daddy if you only let me creep.
It's 8 in the morning and we just checked out of our hotel in Hanoi.
We're just waiting for the bus to pick us up now.
I'm a little sleepy.
I'm super sleepy.
I have been on a cruise before, but it's my first time going to Halong Bay.
This is going to be my first time going on a cruise ship.
This is a lot nicer than the tour bus we thought we were going to get on. This is like a limo van. Do you have a nice nap?
Very good nap.
You good? Yeah, I'd like to invite you. Get in here.
Okay.
Yes.
We just checked in at the lounge and they gave us our room key and also some bracelets. We will need these to get on the boat.
There are a lot more people going on this cruise than we thought, and majority of them are local Vietnamese people. This is going to be fun.
Em xin phép được chào tất cả mọi người ạ. Hiện tại thì chúng ta sẽ di chuyển vào đến với.
I'm pretty sure we are on the grandest, most luxurious tour for local Vietnamese. But hey, look at us. I love Vietnam.
Rocking a new mask.
Are you excited for your first cruise experience?
I have no idea what it's going to be like. Have no expectation. I just think it's going to be cool regardless, because I have never been on one.
I was actually thinking that there would be less people, and I am wrong. I think it's a full boat. There are children, there's elderly. I quickly did a search on the Ambassador cruise just now, and they are the only ones with an elevator, and that's why a lot of elderly would choose this cruise. Do you think we made a mistake with the upgrade?
I don't think so. I think it's gonna be fun.
I think we will find out.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Welcome aboard on the Ambassador cruise. Ooh, nice cinnamon towel.
It
to
does
cool
smell
you
like
off.
cinnamon. Xin chào.
Xin chào, cảm ơn
Oh, xin chào.
May your cabin number, please.
117.
Number 117.
Okay.
I guess we're having lunch first.
Oh, maybe. So it seems that we are starting off with an Italian buffet lunch. That's a pretty good start to our cruise.
Isn't it supposed to be like Michelin-starred cuisine?
Yeah, maybe the recipes are by Michelin chefs.
Oh, this looks good.
Beef? And pork belly too, I guess. Why not?
You look pretty happy.
So there's a story how we are even on this cruise. So we booked quite a nice mid-range, smaller cruise, and last night when we were out at dinner we got a call from our tour company saying, do you want to upgrade to this nicer, the most grandest cruise in Halong Bay? And I can't really hear properly exactly what was happening. All I heard was like unlimited lobster for dinner, and I was like, okay, that sounds amazing. So we had to decide at that moment, and we both were like, yes, let's get the upgrade. And now I'm not so sure.
Maybe we're quick to judge.
Maybe.
Maybe. I can't wait to see our room. So far the food is quite delicious.
So we finished lunch and now we are looking for our room.
You ready? Wow, this is quite nice. Want to give them a quick room tour?
And welcome to our deluxe balcony room. So first we have a huge king size bed. Super comfy. Yeah, this is nice and soft. Across from it is a TV, and on this side there is a nice seating area so we can enjoy our coffee in the morning, or even better, we can go outside to our private balcony to enjoy the view.
Wow, I think this is the best part of the room.
And over here there are some essentials. There are life jackets, bathrobes, and also we have the safety deposit box and some slippers. And on this side, we have a very spacious bathroom.
Cute!
And that's our room.
Look at the view over there. I think this is where we're gonna park. Like they already dropped the anchor. And I think this is where we're gonna do the first excursion.
It's so peaceful down here in our room. Makes me wonder, are we missing out on getting to the island?
Oh! Last call already. Quick, they both left already.
No problem.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes. Be careful, be careful. Okay, here we go.
Sorry guys.
That's okay.
Put your life jacket on.
That was a bit stressful, huh? Well, I'm glad we made it.
I think I lost Flora. I'm here.
It's really hard to spot you because you're the same height as everyone else.
So we have 1 hour to enjoy it?
Yeah. I think we should grab 2 coconuts and just go chill by the beach.
Sounds good.
Em gửi cái này tròn em gửi sao? Đấy.
Thank you. Come on.
Hey, you want this?
Yes.
But is it rice cracker?
Rice
Or is it
cracker.
coconut cracker?
No, rice cracker with sesame seeds. Let's find a quiet spot somewhere there and chill, yeah?
Quiet spot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Follow me.
Okay. Good luck. Real quick, as our YouTube channel is growing, we felt the need to establish more of an online presence, and that's why we decided to build a new website using Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform, which means we can design our website, buy our domain, host our website all in one place. It was super easy to get started as they have plenty of award-winning templates to choose from. We know nothing about coding, so luckily their design tools were very simple for us to customize the look and feel of our website. Just head over to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/floraandnote to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Now back to the video.
This looks nice.
This spot is perfect.
Yeah.
Now they make a whole lot of sense. Already so bad for your neck.
I'm enjoying this, but it's totally not what we expected.
What's happening?
water is quite cold actually. I thought it would be warm because all the people in there, but no, it's freezing. Nice though. I think we have to get going again. We don't want to be late for the boat.
No, we're early this time.
Are you sure?
Yeah, the staff member from the boat is sitting there.
Oh, okay.
We're the
Good.
first one.
Good. I gotta be honest with you, like, I quite enjoy that. They know how to enjoy themselves.
Yeah, they know how to have fun. They're super easygoing. There's even the little kid who came over and was super excited. YouTuber!
Yeah. And they're not shy. They enjoy expressing themselves.
Yeah.
I think Vietnamese are very good at that.
And honestly, vacations used to be like this. It's busy, it's full of people. It's kind of nice to feel the energy of like a holiday mode again.
Yeah, totally. But I think we should go back and try the jacuzzi on the cruise.
What if it's like 100 people in the jacuzzi?
Let's hope not. Let's take the elevator.
You think these bathrobes should be like in room wear, or you think it's cool to wear out here?
There are no rules here. Wow.
We're underdressed. Everyone changed into white and they're wearing these like fancy dresses.
I think we look pretty good, babe. Sure. Thank you, thank you. Wow, look.
Oh.
It's like a glass walk.
Here, I'll hold you like Jack and Rose.
Isn't that cool?
You scared?
No, not at all. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that my heart will... I think you're a bit out of tune, babe.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. We'll practice tonight, joining the karaoke session.
So apparently, you can come to Halong Bay by helicopter, by seaplane, cruise. There are many ways to enjoy Halong Bay. I don't think we can quite afford the helicopter, so we're here by cruise.
There you go. Cheers.
So we paid $400 US for 2 people, and it includes the transfer to and from the hotel. So I think the transfer is like $30 or $40 a person. So it means it's still like $320, I think, for the cruise.
But it includes 4 meals?
Yeah, it includes lunch, dinner, and breakfast.
3 meals.
3 meals.
It's quite expensive, to be honest, but it's once in a lifetime experience. So we thought we would do it.
I have a feeling that the cruise that we originally booked is more quiet and there's only 20 cabins, versus this cruise here is the biggest, the grandest cruise in Halong Bay, and they have 46 cabins. That means it's easily carrying over 100 people on this ship.
And I think we almost fully booked today.
Yeah. That's a tip for you guys, is maybe choose like a smaller ship, and also don't come on the weekend.
Yeah, it can be quite crazy.
So we have freshened up and now it's dinner time. You excited?
Very excited.
I didn't eat much today to save room for a seafood dinner.
I'm excited for the lobsters. That's what we're here for, right?
Lobster,
Some prawns,
clams.
3 kinds of sauces, and oysters.
When you finish this, if you want more, let me know, okay?
Thank
I give you different sauce. Enjoy.
I'll talk to you soon. They put more food on our table.
Oh,
We each get a steak
nice.
and more lobsters.
This one was so good.
That was one of the best meals I had so far in Vietnam.
That was actually very, very delicious. It's been a long day though, so I think we're going to skip some of the activities they have after dinner. When we were coming down, we saw them setting up for karaoke. We saw people squid fishing just at the front of the boat, at the back of the boat actually. But I think we're just gonna chill and relax and enjoy our room.
We'll see you in the morning.
How amazing is that? This is the last couple hours we have left on the cruise until we head back to the city. There was an excursion this morning, a kayaking trip, but we skipped it because we just want to enjoy the room and also our favorite place on the whole cruise, which is the balcony.
And it's also raining today. So it's
Yeah.
quite pleasant just sitting here and enjoying the view and enjoying a coffee.
I was telling Note yesterday that I think we might have made a mistake by accepting the upgrade without really doing our research and checking out what this new ship they were proposing.
Because upgrade doesn't always mean the best for you.
They didn't lie. It was unlimited seafood buffet and it was delicious and it is a grand ship, but it was a lot more busy and chaotic than we were expecting.
After a while, we learn how to adjust to the situation and make the best out of it.
Yeah, because the views of Halong Bay are the same no matter what cruise you're on. The experience is slightly different, so I think that's why it's important for you to find the right cruise for you when you come to Halong Bay. Anyways, I hope you guys still enjoyed our funny, slightly chaotic, and still super beautiful experience here in Halong Bay. As always, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bloopers!
Uninterrupted view of Halong Bay.
You should maybe move this way a little bit. Oh, it's really cold.
Did you swim?
I did.
Under the water, we had a lot of the jellyfish.
Oh, really?
Really dangerous for the cats.
Wow.
Yes.
Nobody
But
told
maybe
us about.
that maybe